Are you thinking about permanent makeup? Maybe you've been on the fence, but it sounds so permanent. Well, guess what? It's not what you think. So much so, at the end of this segment, you might be picking up the phone and calling Michele Q of Michele Q Permanent Makeup. We are in her office with the beautiful Amanda, who is one of her clients. You are absolutely stunning.
Thank you.
That, right?
Thanks.
You're absolutely gorgeous. So I want to talk about your experience and your fears, because you had some before you came. But Michele, I think a lot of women, you know, we think about it and we think, oh, it looks great. We see all the beautiful before and after pictures, but what is it that scares people away, do you think?
Of eyeliner or permanent makeup in general?
Permanent makeup in general.
I think the word permanent is one. So permanent makeup is not permanent. It will last many years. Certain ones, eyeliner lasts up to 10 years.
Wow.
Brows last anywhere from 2 to 5 years, depending on colors. Lips the same because it's blushing. So it's never permanent.
Right.
It will fade and fade off.
Okay. So when you say permanent, though, a couple years is still a couple years. So that's why, ladies, it is so very important that you do your research and make sure you know the person that you're going to see is absolutely 100% qualified. So Amanda, you had a little bit of trepidation. You wanted to get eyeliner done, but you heard that, ooh, this could be bad. But
That's
that wasn't your experience with Michele, was it?
Absolutely not. I had heard about the old technique used, and it was nothing like that. Today, the technique that Michele used was basically no more than a fingernail going back and forth over my eyelashes. Wow. It really was gentle. I didn't have to have one of those contact lenses to protect my eyes, which was really scaring me. And it just has given me back so much time to my day.
Yeah, you're a busy lady.
I am. Between my job and my family, this really is such a time saver.
Oh, well, you look fantastic. So you came and you got your eyeliner done, and what you were afraid of, it was this tool right here, Michele. This is like the old, I don't want to say old school, but this one is the painful one, and you don't do it with this tool.
No.
You use this tool.
I use a handpiece.
Okay.
And I have 5 micron needles in that handpiece that are going back and forth delivering pigment, whereas in the darker handpiece you have there, that one they're pressing in or tapping in.
And that's why you have to have that protective thing over your eye, because God forbid somebody misses, but that's not what you do. You use the handpiece.
And the technique I do, I protect her eye by keeping the lid closed and pulling up the other lid to it. So I do it in a technique that Sally Hayes has taught me.
Yes.
That she did for 35 years. So
so you loved your eyeliner so much you came back in and got your lips done.
Yes, I did. And that is one of my favorite things I've ever done.
Really?
I definitely recommend it to everyone. I was really hesitant at first because the colors looked more bold before we put them in. And over time, it just became this like watercolor kind of look, and I never wear lipstick anymore. At most, I'll wear a little bit of eyeliner and just kind of blend that down and put some lip gloss on over it. It's just amazing. I'm done. And it's my favorite color. It's better than my favorite Burberry lipstick.
Well, it looks gorgeous. It looks very natural, but yet when you wake up in the morning and you look in the mirror, you like, hey, I look good when I get out of bed.
My husband thinks I forgot to wash my makeup off the night before.
That's a bonus. That's a bonus. So what's next? Eyebrows, right?
Eyebrows are next.
Okay, Michele Q, you did a fabulous job. So you don't have to be scared anymore. Hopefully we've taken the fear factor out. How about a special offer? Book lips, eyes, and brows, save $200. Michele Q Permanent Makeup, formerly Sally Hayes, is located inside Scottsdale Plastics, 9377 East Bell Road, Suite 367 in Scottsdale, 480-951-0539. The website, permanentmakeup.com.